Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a metric created by CryptoScores that gives you a direct measure of short-term price security, the order minus 2% over market cap ratio. We already covered the order book minus 2%, the total buy orders within 2% below the current price. This metric takes that number and divides it by the project's market cap, because a $10 million buy wall means very different things for a project worth 100 million versus one worth 50 billion. The result is a percentage that tells you, relative to the size of this project, how much buy support is protecting the current price from a short-term drop. A higher percentage means a well-stocked order book of buyers relative to the project size. The price is much less likely to collapse. A very low percentage, as the contrary, means the buy support is thin, the price can fall more easily. So let's take a look at Ethereum. If you click on Security Score and you scroll down, you will see the order minus 2% over market cap ratio. As you can see over there, it's in a neutral color. If you take Chainlink, as the contrary, you can see the same indicator, but this time in green. We will see why in a minute. Let's get back to Ethereum. Order minus 2% over market cap, 0.31%. Transparent, neutral, normal range. For a project of Ethereum size, this is standard. The buy support is there, proportional to the massive market cap. Now, if we go back to Chainlink, 3.14%. In green. That's 10 times higher than Ethereum's ratio. Relative to its market cap, Chainlink has an outsized wall of buy order protecting the price. The order book is well stocked with buyers, making a sharp price drop significantly harder. So use this as a short-term crash protection signal. Green means strong buyer support relative to the project size. The price has a solid floor, no color means normal, and when you see low value or red, it means the floor is pretty thin. A large sell order could push the price through easily. And as always, you can click through the score, go to CoinGecko to see the actual order book and verify the depth yourself. As always, you are the analyst. CryptoScores give you the tools, you do the rest. Orders minus 2% over market cap. How solid is the floor under the price? Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there on the next one.